This is my new Insta360 X4, slightly bigger than the X3. Let's compare it. Even the silicone lens covers are different. You gotta be careful with this one because this one's broken. Look at all the broken glass. So in comparison, the X4 is slightly bigger. I mean, the controls are pretty similar. Let me cover this up. So you can't use the X3's accessories on the X4. Oh, and the X4 comes with the lens covers. Look at it. You can twist it off. It comes right off. And they do offer the glass ones, the more premium ones, which is like slightly even bigger than this. But you know what? I'm using the free one that came with it. It comes with two of them. Lined up. See that color right there, the little teal color, center. It's in there. And always cover your lens. Always cover your lens when you're not using it, and when you're using it, when you take it off, always wipe it down to get rid of all the debris. And also the battery is slightly different too. This is the X3. It's smaller than the X4.